Today, we will discuss TouchNote and Kilo Notes. Both apps allows users to customize their masterpieces. This can mean modifying notes in Kilo Notes with handwriting, drawings, and remarks. It involves selecting unique photos and adding notes to cards in TouchNote. Now let's examine the main features of these two platforms. Kilo Notes. This app is a digital note-taking tool made for smartphones and tablets. It focuses on giving users the experience of a digital notebook, enabling them to annotate PDFs, take handwritten notes, and arrange their ideas. It belongs to the same group of apps as Notewise, Notability, and GoodNotes. TouchNote. This mobile software allows you to create and send personalized postcards, greeting cards, and photo prints. It is a service for sharing tangible, printed memories, creating personalized postcards and greeting cards, and printing actual photos, sharing physical recollections, concentrating on measurable results. All in all, user generated content is used extensively in both programs. Both applications are useful for memory retention despite their major distinctions. Where TouchNote draws its value from the photos and messages users post, KiloNotes derives its value from the notes and details users make.